Mr. Satya, how should I do question number 5?
So we first we have to do 4 upon 100 into 8,000 to find the percent. So the answer is 320. Then we have to do 8,000 minus 320. It is 7680. So we get the answer of the VCR.
So the cost price of the VCR is 8,000 rupees. So the loss is 4%. 4% of 8,000. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So on the VCR, he has made a loss. And for TV, the cost price is again 8,000. But on this, he makes a profit of 8%. Again on the cost price. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So first we'll see the loss. What you need to remember is that the loss and the profit, both, they are on the cost price. That is all that you need to understand. So when I calculate this, this becomes 320 rupees. So this is the loss. And when I calculate this, this is 640 rupees. And this is the profit. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is a loss. And this is the profit. The profit is more than the loss. And if you see 640 minus 320, so he has made a profit of 320 on the whole transaction. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.